Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload music to Spotify. So you have to just open the Spotify mobile application here. Then you have to click on the setting icon which is on top right side corner. So click on here and you have to scroll to the down, and here you will find option that is called local files, and under local files you will see show audio files from your devices. So just turn it on and just allow all the access and requirements it need, and after that you can just go to your library, and after that you can see a new folder that is called local files, and here these are my local files. But if you want to upload music to Spotify where people can hear your songs, in this way you have to go through a music distributor. You can't directly upload your music to Spotify. So this is it guys. I hope you found this video really interesting and helpful. If you did, leave a comment down below. Make sure to like this video and don't forget to subscribe channel. See you guys in the next video.